Hello friend, welcome to Android Chess written in Kotlin. In the last video, we test our latest code on Android device, the Samsung device running socket server. In this video, we'll test that on the Android emulator, okay? Emulator. So we need to redirect. We need to configure the emulator, so the platform will redirect the host port, this guy 50,000, to the guest port, which this one is what the emulator listens to. So now there's a few steps. Okay, let's close this one first. Okay, stop it. We'll start from the very beginning. And actually we did that before once. Now we'll repeat the procedure again. And so we need some information of the emulator so we can talk with that. So first we need to get its port, the console emulator console port. Okay, the emulator actually is listening a platform, right, socket port, which normally is 5554, but we need to double check. So the command is this. This means our home directory, which is users. This is this guy. Okay, now library Android SDK, we have our platform tools. We need this command adb Android debug bridge. Okay, now we can check the active devices. Okay, so there's only one of that. There's no, this might be something running. I don't know what it is. Is it my Android Samsung device or not? We don't care. So now if we launch our emulator, we can see one more entry in the list. Okay, we are launching the emulator. It takes a while. Okay, so it's here. It's still doing initialization or something, and when it's ready, okay, let's try it again here. Yeah, so this guy is running, right? So we can use this port 5554 to talk with the platform. This has nothing to do with our app, right? This is the system port, so we can communicate with the console, the Android emulator console. Okay, yeah, actually we don't need to run our app to talk with the platform. Now we can tell. Okay, before we telnet, we need to get a authentication token, which is required when we get into a telnet. So we can cat, this one is still inside my home directory, emulator authentication token. Okay, dot means it's a hidden directory, hidden file. Okay, actually file and the directory are the same thing, right? Theoretically, technically, directory and file are files. Okay, cat that. Okay, so we'll use this part. The last one is not part of it. The last one is the prompt, the default prompt, the %sign. Before I switch to use my custom platform prompt letter, the golden thumb, right? It is that one. So I need this, so make a copy of that, copy. Then we can telnet localhost, right? This is my localhost machine, and 5554 port. This is the port we can talk with the emulator. Okay, you see here, you can find the authentication. Authentication. Okay, so escape character is that authentication required, so we can run auth authentication that. Okay, so now it's ready. We can list all the redirection configuration using redirect list. Okay, no active redirections. Okay, so we'll add one redirect at protocol TCP and the port. The port, the host port is this one, and the guest port is this one. Now it's ready, and we can quit. So how to quit? Control right bracket, like that. Okay, this guy, control right square bracket. Now type in close. Okay, so we can come in here, authenticate. Okay, so can we? No, we cannot use the up arrow key. So if we do redirect list, oh, because we still need authenticate this guy. Now is he ready? Redirect list. Yes, right? TCP. We have this redirection from this host port, right? Which is our socket client connects to. And this is our emulator. The server socket on emulator listen on. Okay, now that's control right square bracket and close. It's ready. Now we can test our new latest code, right? Now it's ready. Let's run it. Okay, so here is our emulator. So let's bring up the app, and okay, so let's go here. Oh, it's so sticky. It's annoying. And okay, so click here. Let me restart my that's the Android Studio. Okay, this is the client we will use for testing. So Android Studio. Begin crash. Never mind. Send some. Nope. We'll use our emulator for testing. Is it good now? Now run it. Click here. Yes. Listen. Okay. Socket server listening on port. You see, this is the guest port, not the host port. Okay. Now let's bring up our socket client. Okay. So reset and connect. So this one is okay. So this, you see, the socket server listening on this port, guest port, but we are connecting to the host port. Connect. Let's try to make a move here. Yes, you see, it works like magic. Move the knight. Yeah, okay, it works. So it means our latest code, right, successfully detects whether or not the app is running on emulator or a device. If it's a emulator, then it uses the port of guest, right? Guest port. If otherwise, it uses the host port, 50,000. This one, socket guest port is 50,001. Yeah. Cool. It works. Let's make another move. Yes. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. And by the way, here are those steps, right, we used to config. Oh, so after we test, right, we can delete the let's give a try to delete the redirection this way. So authentication, and here is redirection list. We can delete that. So redirect delete TCP. Can we do that? Now redirect list again. Yeah, no active redirection again.